Channel of me is Oppo A1K, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this Oppo device. Start by opening Play Store and downloading your new default app. In my case, it will be Browser. Install it, you don't have to open it, just wait for it to download and click Home button. Now you need to access Settings, scroll down, choose App Management over here, and click on Default App. Now select one of those sections. I want to change my browser app, so I will go with Browser. Click on Opera Mini, tap on Change Browser over here in this pop-up, and simply go back. And now as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!